Welcome to Place of Assembly, Certification of Operation, PACO. Request the Place of Assembly Certificate of Operation, PACO. When the PA filing is approved in DOB Now Build, the applicant will request inspections in DOB Now Inspections. After the DOB Now Inspections past final result is updated in DOB Now Build, the applicant can request a PACO. When a QA admin approves the PACO request, the filing status in DOB Build updates to PACO issued, and the PACO can be printed. A PACO has no expiration date in the DOB Now. After a PACO is issued, FDNY is responsible for setting an expiration date on a PACO and to renew a PACO. Requesting a PACO, the applicant of record, PE/RA, sign statement and signature section, and selects a checkbox to electronically sign. Step-by-step guide demo for the request a Place of Assembly Certificate of Operation. You log in and go to your dashboard, find the filing you wish to request a PACO. You're going to scroll over to the action column. There's a drop-down, select the action. You have Request PACO. Are you sure you want to request Place of Assembly Certificate of Operation? Yes. You'll have the Place of Assembly Certificate of Operation summary page. You'll scroll down through the information, and at the end, electronically sign statement and signatures. And click Submit. Place of Assembly Certificate of Operation request has been submitted. Once the Certificate of Operation has been approved, you'll receive an email stating that the Certificate of Operation has been issued. You can go to the Certificate of Operations tab, find that filing number, and it will say PA Certificate of Operation issued. Scroll over to the action column, filing action, in the drop-down for the Certificate of Operation issued. Click on to Print Certificate of Operations. Would you like to proceed with printing the PA Certificate of Operations? Yes. And here you may print the certificate. Thank you.